Hello, I'm Ted Jones with MarineMax and Stewart. Welcome aboard this brand new 230 Boston Whaler Outrage. What an awesome boat. I'll tell you, this thing is configured very, very uniquely. Starting with this helm seat at the moment, looks a little strange. Well, that's because it has this aft-facing seat that's in the down position at the moment, so that if you're fishing or just relaxing somewhere at the sandbar, you can fold it down. You grab a hold of it, it comes up, locks back in position, and now it gives you a full bolster or seat for when you're running the boat. You can flip them up and down. Very, very unique setup with that helm seat, I'll tell you. The boat has Marine GPS fish finder, has Marine VHF in it, along with a fantastic sounding stereo, and very easy to access your gauges and controls. Powered by a Mercury 300 4-stroke outboard for great fuel economy and efficiency. Does have a rear folding seat, a little difficult to see as it's folded up at the moment. Has a live well in it that also makes a great garbage can or cooler if you're not a fisherman. And the way that this particular boat is configured also, it's got lots of room inside the console. As you can see, it has a marine head. It's actually a porta potty, not a full marine head. All right, I want to thank you for your time for looking at this boat with me today. And for more information or to get out on a sea trial, please give me a call. Ted Jones, MarineMax Stewart, 772-263-6743.